Hello everybody! My name is Teacher Jane. Welcome to my lesson. Today, friends, we will learn 3 words. Word number 1 is fun. Yes, here is a fun. Can you say a fan? That's it, a fan. Good job. Now, let's spell the word. Fan has 3 letters. F-A-N. And again, class, let's say F-A-N, fan. Now for the letter sound. So we've got F, it says F, A, and N, One more time. F, A, and N. Amazing. Word number 2 is next. Word number 2 is pan. Everybody repeat. Say pan. You got it. Look, class. This is a pan. Okay. So let's spell the word. Pan. P-A-N. And again, the letters P. You know this. A and N. Very good. And just the letter sounds. P says P. A says A. N says So just one last time. The letter sounds P. A. Great job. Okay. And our third word number 3 is man, class. Say it. Say the word man. That's right. Here is a man. So let's spell the word M-A-N, man. M-A-N. And the letter sounds Good job. All right, friends, that's it for today. In the next video, we will put these words into sentences. I'll see you there.